Going down, at least not for this company.
Not at all. Cho Wynn's wife told him she didn't feel safe in their classic car, so Wynn's fix, build a new car that had all the safety of a modern car with a classic feel. So Wynn's business survived the pandemic and supply chain crises, and he's still behind the wheel now, shifting into an even higher gear. Vintage Modern stemmed from Cho Wynn's childhood dream.
Anytime a cool car would go by and all of us were playing on the playground, and be like, oh man, that's my car, you know, Porsche, Ferrari, whatever. But I couldn't afford them because we had no money growing up. So this was a lifelong dream of mine to be able to be around cars.
Now, he's surrounded by cars, built from the ground up in this Buford factory.
Vintage Modern is a blend of classic car design with modern car technology, luxury, and safety. So you really get the best of both worlds.
Wynn took his business experience from the tech sector and applied his eye for luxury cars to this 160-employee operation that builds 250 vehicles a year.
I've spent over 100 hours a week since the day we opened up this factory.
Wynn gave me a tour of some of the American-made rides.
We built them for Jennifer Lopez, Mark Wahlberg, LeBron James, Kevin Hart, Ryan Reynolds, musicians, actors.
Classic car connoisseurs that appreciate the modern engine, tech, and safety features.
This is what makes it reliable.
They can't find in a typical restoration.
6 airbags, you have crumple zones, you have traction control, you have anti-lock brakes, all things we take for granted in a modern car that do not exist, nor can they be retrofitted into a classic car. 99% isn't good enough, and people's lives are at stake. They're driving your vehicle on the road.
Wynn has steered his dream into a reality, still engineering and driving forward no matter the obstacle. With his eyes down the road now, Wynn plans to roll out a new model later this year. He calls it, quote, a fast, loud, light American muscle car with none of the problems.
You look good behind the wheel in there, Joe.
I know. I wish I could just drive it out.
Yeah.
Maybe y'all can help me out. Maybe we'll crowdsource some money here.
We definitely will need a fund. I love this aspect, though, because so many like car connoisseurs, you don't want to be out on the roads, but it's like, can we make it?
Yeah, you got to be careful because, you know, a lot of these cars just simply do not have the safety features, and it's not really possible to put those in a car unless you build it from scratch. So that's exactly what Wynn did, and that company is thriving now in Buford, Georgia.
Wow, right here. All right, Joe Ripley, thanks so much.